ए कति ढिला गरायो है रुपेशले कहाँ गयो त्यो
खै यार फोन गर न
ए मेरो ब्यालेन्स छैन तिमी गर न
ए ल ल
हेलो
ब्रो कहाँ हो
म गार्डन अफ ड्रिम्सको अगाडि
यता आऊ न ट्रायङ्गल रेस्टुरेन्ट बारमा आऊ न
कहाँ हो त्यो
यता के अमृत मार्गमा के
कहाँ भने
खै 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 त म भन्छु ए सुन अब गार्डन अफ ड्रिम्सबाट सिधै आउनु है लेफ्ट साइडतिर तिमीले सञ्चय कोषको बिल्डिङ देख्छौ पहिला अब त्यो बिल्डिङ देखेपछि सिधा हेर्नु चोक आउँछ चोक पुग्दाखेरि तिमीले मोनालिसा पस्मिना भन्ने देख्छौ मोनालिसा पस्मिनाबाट लेफ्ट लिनु त्यहाँबाट स्ट्रेट हो है ब्रो फर्स्टमा तिम्रो राइट साइडमा केटिएम सिटी आउँछ त्यसपछि अलि अगाडि गइसकेपछि एनआइसी एसियाको ब्रान्च आउँछ
ओके
त्यहाँ पुगेपछि लेफ्ट साइडतिर हेर्दै गर्नु ट्रायङ्गल रेस्टुरेन्टको तिमीले मजाले गेट देख्छौ भित्र आइहाल्नु है
ओके
ल ल ब्रो छिटो 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 पोग्ला
ल म एकैछिनमा आइपुगिहालेँ सञ्चय कोषको बिल्डिङ अगाडि आइपुग्यो सो त्यसपछि मोनालिसा सोरुम सो वी टेक लेफ्ट केटिएम सिटीको सोरुम यहाँबाट स्ट्रेट अगाडि Here is the Triangle Restaurant.
Hey there.
कस्तो ढिला है
ए आयो
I miss hanging out like this. Heck, I missed just being out of the house. And I know many of our plans had to cancel because of the pandemic. Maybe most of you were planning to buy a bike or get yourself some riding gears. But if you are still waiting for them, today's episode is for you. As the COVID-19 vaccine is not the only exciting product coming this year, but we have a whole host of new bikes and a set of riding gears set to hit the market in 2021. So let's get...
ब्रो जाने हैन त
Kota?
माइती घर
Yeah, that's where we do it. Excuse me.
एउटा बफेलो विङ्स यो पिज्जा पनि मिट लभर्स पिज्जा पनि एउटा प्याक गरिदिनु होला अलिकति यति नै हो थ्याङ्क यू
...2021 looks like to be the year of old-looking motorcycles, but with new features. Of course, I'm talking about the all-new lineup of vintage motorcycles that are ready to hit the market this year. Making splash into the retro section, we are excited to see how the Highness will perform. But the Honda Highness has the challengers of its own, and it is none other than... Is that a Thunderbird?
It's a classic 350.
It's a Meteor, you dumb idiots.
Bonk.
Yes, the king of vintage motorcycles, Royal Enfield is all set to launch its latest offering, Meteor 350 model in the Nepalese market. An old complaint about the Royal Enfield motorcycles was the lack of modern features such as fuel gauge and ABS, but fear not, the Meteor has them all, including dual channel ABS and a small dedicated color screen that you can connect via your phone for navigation purposes as standard. Last year, the Husqvarna Vitpilen and Swartpilen Swartpilen 250 were launched in Nepal. This year, they are launching again but with bigger engine. The Husky twins are getting the same 373cc engine that powers the KTM Duke 390 and the Adventure 390. Named the Husqvarna Vitpilin 401, it features a steel trellis frame, adjustable WP Apex suspension, vibrate brakes, and 17-inch pocket wheels to tackle the urban sprawl. The Husqvarna twins are not the only beloved twins to get a bigger engine this year. The Honda CRF 250L and CRF 250 Rally are also getting a brand new 300cc engine. The all-new CRF 300L and CRF 300 Rally will be powered by a 286cc liquid-cooled 4V DOHC single-cylinder engine. Combined with a slipper clutch, it produces more peak power at 20.1 kW with improved torque of 26.6 Nm for a strong all-round response. The dashboard also gets updates such as the gear position indicator. Though we are excited to see the beefed up twins, we will have to say goodbye to the 250cc variants as Honda is unlikely to be producing them anymore.
के भयो सब बाइकहरु लकडाउनको बेलामा जिम गयो क्या सबको इन्जिन ठुलो हुन थाल्यो.
True, but the KTM is also to launch its Adventure 250 in 2021. The 250 Adventure is powered by the same 248.7cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder motor that does duty on the naked 250 Duke. The motor is capable of putting out 29.6 bhp at 9000 rpm and 24 Nm at 7500 rpm and comes coupled to a 6-speed gearbox. In terms of looks, the 250 Adventure looks identical to the 390 Adventure except for the LED headlamp, which has been lifted from the road-biased 250 Duke. To take on the adventure touring task, the motorcycle comes with a prominent windscreen and 14.5-liter fuel tank with sharp extensions. The radiator, underbelly cowl, split seat setup and LED tail lamp remains the same. However, the 5.5-inch TFT instrumenter cluster offered on the 390 Adventure has been included in the package as well. The long wait for the Aprilia SXR 160 finally draws to a close as the Italian company is all set to launch its maxi style scooter in Nepal. The Aprilia SXR 160 will be powered by a 160.3cc BS6 compliant engine. It can generate a max power of 11 PS at 7100 rpm and max torque of 11 Nm at 5750 rpm. Moreover, it is prepared with a traditional CVT transmission, giving a controlled and stable riding experience. The Aprilia SXR 160 looks sharp and features a full LED headlight, LED DRLs, LED taillight, a tall windscreen, digital instrumental console, a push seat and a stretched out floorboard. You also have the extra storage in the front apron and a mobile charging port in case your smartphone runs out of the battery. There are a lot of exciting two-wheelers coming in the Nepalese market in 2021, and to ride them you will need good gears. But fear not, we are here for you in regards to that as well. The all-new lineup of AGV helmets is set to arrive at Helmets Nepal showroom at the end of February 2021. The all-new lineup has the new graphics such as AGV K1 Sole Luna 2017 and AGV K3 SB Angry Bird. But this year, it's not the new graphics that we are excited about. It's the new model that we are more excited about. Finally, the lightest street helmet, the AGV K6, will be entering the Nepalese market. The helmet's versatility comes from its aerodynamic shape that works well in any riding position. 4 different sail sizes allow for a broad size range to better fit your particular head circumference and shape. Moisture-wicking liners absorb sweat to keep you comfortable on extended rides. The AGV K6 helmet is the culmination of all AGV's road helmet technology to create a single helmet for all the riders. It's not just the helmets that are getting upgrades this year. Riding gears are getting them too. Recently, Alpha has came up with a brand new lineup of riding gears dubbed the C-Line, focused more towards casual motor wears. We can't wait to see what Alpha has in store for us. With 2021, Helmets Nepal enters into the new chapter. But sadly, this is the Helmets Nepal without the tires. But wait, that does not mean you still can't get the tires online. That is why we are proud to introduce our sister venture, tiresnepal.com, a one-stop shop for all your tire needs. Tires Nepal is the online store in Nepal dedicated to all kinds of tires. Here you will not only find tires for your two-wheeler but also your four-wheeled vehicle. And it is so simple. Just go to your browser on your mobile or laptop and type www.tiresnepal.com. Then select your vehicle type, two-wheeler or four-wheeler. Next, select the company, then select your vehicle model, sub-model if needed, and then click search. And there you have it, all the various tires that will fit your vehicle perfectly. However, if you would like to search for tires by brand or size, there are search options available as well. Well, that's it for this month's episode. We had a lot of fun shooting this video at Triangle Restaurant. And if you are planning on having an event or just want to hang out with some creative dishes, Triangle is the place for you. Not only that, follow them on social media to stay updated on the dates for their monthly bingo night and more. If you have any queries, please feel free to visit us. If you like what you saw, leave us a like, comment what you want to see next, and subscribe us for more such content. This is me, Rupesh, signing off for today. Thank you for watching.